Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to make and use the pin press and Forge. So the first thing you're going to need to do is grab one of the shells, make sure that the convex side, so that you don't have the concave side facing in, is on top here when you put it into the first step. So it looks like that. Next, what you're going to do is put whatever you want to go on pin on top. In this case, I just got a piece of patterned paper. We're going to put that on top. The next step is getting the mylar sheets in the box here. There are these see-through plastic circles that keep the image in the pin. So we'll just lay that on top as well. And then once we have all three of those in there, we just put it so that it's under the actual press and pull down as hard as you can. Lift it up, and now that all that's up there, we need to get the pin back. So we can grab these, and we want to make sure that the squiggle side is up, otherwise the pin's not going to work, it's going to crush it. So we just put it in here on step 3, and then when it sits in there, we do the same thing. We put it underneath and we pull down. And there we go, we got a pin. Hope this was informative.